Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off with Ukwenzo, guys. He is Kwambambo and he is sweeping the floor. I'm just like, hi Bokwenzo, you know Utubabu Magagtandi, but here you are in the house, Wenzo, up and down. But anyway guys, I guess we are Sizake, but he's sweeping there. He's busy singing Nyambonu with Yaibo Ukwenzo Ezumako laphayana kwambamba ngiyadlala guys. Anyway, as he's sweeping, then there's a knock on the door. Mena vula umnyango uphetheni guys, and he's surprised ukuthi hayibo uma wakhe ufunani lana. So he opens the door, uphetheni angeneke. Ukwenza like, ma ubekwa yini lana? Ake niyamazi ke uphetheni. Uphetheni is looking at the house guys, undermining everything ngathi anyanya nje. And then uPhetheni is like, usuhlala lana? Ukwenza is like, ini? No, cha, angihlali lana man. uPhetheni then says, pho wenzani la ngalesi sikhathi Kwenzo? Ukwenza is like, ngiyashanyela ma, ngiyasiza because ubaba kaSibongile usesibhedlela. uPhetheni is like, Kwenza mfana, uyenzelani lento kumina? Yona ngane ngiyikhulisile le? Sinobaba wakho sisebenze kanzima Kwenzo, sisebenze kanzima mfanami ukuthi sikufundiswe kwama-private school so that you can succeed empilweni. Wena ukhethani? Ukhetha uzohlala la koqobo ubhizi yacula nonsense lana. Like, what song was that you were even singing? I'm just like, ow. Ukwenza like, ma, like awukahle ngehaba. I'm just entertaining myself njengoba ngiklina nje. It's no big deal. uPhetheni then says, uyaklina Kwenzo? So uklina imizi yabantu wena koqopho he? Iyona mpilo ifunayo ofuna uyiphila lena Kwenzo? Then she looks at him and she's like, bengicela ukuthi sigoduke nje siye ekhaya vele nje it's almost Christmas time. Ukwenzo ke uyambona ukuthi Ukwenzo he doesn't want to do what his mother's saying. Then uPhetheni she says ukuthi ngingazi ke ukuthi uthanda izitha zami ukudlula mina ke. Then Ukwenzo cha ma akukho kanjalo. Ukwenzo goes on to say, yazi ma ngeke ngikwazi ukushiya uSibongile at a time like this. Isithandwa senhliziyo yami uSibongile. uPhetheni she rolls her eyes. She's like, manje awukwazi yini ukumthandela eThekwini? Do you need ukuthi ube lana eqobo to prove ukuthi uyamthanda? And then Ukwenzo was like, ma, there's nothing that I have to prove. So babili siyazi ukuthi ngiyamthanda, ukuthi ngimthanda kangakanani uSibongile. uPhetheni is like, Kwenzo, the family is cursed. The family kaSibongile, like, it's a cursed family. And then Ukwenzo is like, ma, like uyaqala ke. uPhetheni is like, ayibona labantu, they are cursed. Okokuqala nje uma kodwa khona omusha lana basanda mthola ukuthi ungumbulali. Lo muntu meyebuya for revenge towards uSibongile uzowenza njani wena? Okanye nawe nje ufuna uba khona kuleyo nqushu nje that's going on kulo muzi. Ukwenza then says, ma, lalele. Ayikho into ozongitshela yona manje that will change my mind, okay? I am staying here for uSibongile. And then he says sorry. He says sorry in a way which he wants to continue sweeping, doing the job that he was doing. Then uPhetheni she can see which there's nothing she can do, guys. She just walks out. And that's that. Next thing sibona uNomfundo and uMavis. uMavis ungena endlini kaNomfundo and they're having a conversation. uNomfundo's like, ayike nathula ke nani. Nangibuka nje ngihudulwa, ngikhishwa nje ngomnyango. Sis Mavis responds and she's like, Nomfundo, ngiyacela bandla ukuthi uzifake nje ezihlathuleni zethu kule ndaba. If it was you, ubuzokwenza njani? And ngempela guys, because I mean uPhetheni is their boss. And then Nomfundo is like, mina ke, I didn't go there to cause trouble. Bengizifunela nje ingane yami. uMavis then says ukuthi ngiyazi Nomfundo ukuthi you did want ingane yakho, kodwa ke uyamazi ukuthi uPhetheni ukuthi ungumuntu onjani. She told bonke nje izisebenzi zakhe ukuthi nje bangakuvumeli nje egcekeni lakhe. She goes on to say ukuthi wena ke you worked as uPhetheni's house manager, so you know how she is. Ubezosixosha nje sonke if we didn't do what she was telling us to do. Ingakho ke bengicela ukuthi Nomfundo hamba ukuthi uhambe. Yazi Nomfundo, we are all feeling really bad the way things went down izolo. Ngisho nje nomkhizo uqobo lwakhe ungicelile nje ukuthi I must pass on his apology ngoba nje akekho right. Usisi Mavis goes on to say ukuthi ngiyacela ukuthi lento yenzeke izolo ungayifaki nje emqondweni. Please know that as your former employees siyabuseka Nomfundo. Nomfundo sathi ngiyabonga. Ngiya-understand ukuthi benenza umsebenzi wenu. And then uMavis is like, yeah. Then uNomfundo says, umuntu onginyanyisayo laphayana umadam wenu and ngisazodila naye nje. UMavis is like, Nomfundo, cela ukuthi uyiyeke nento. I-revenge akusiyona yethu. Revenge doesn't belong to us. uNomfundo is like, hayibo, angiyeki nhlobo nje. Mina phela ngisamsebenzela uPhetheni, so I won't let her get away with this. Ngizomusa enkantolo mina. UMavis is like, how? Kodwa Mfundo bakithi. And Nomfundo is like, angidlali. And then uMavis is like, yeke lento. Angazi-ke uNomfundo when she's taking uPhetheni to court, like on what basis? Because like how sure is she ukuthi the child is not being treated right and whatnot and but she's adamant ukuthi she's taking uPhetheni enkantolo, guys. Anyway, next thing we see uNtombela, he's carrying i-decor, guys, Christmas decor. He's uyangena laphela wambalenhle and he's carrying the Christmas decor. So mayangena, he's like, as-decorate phela mtahama, as-decorate lendawo. And then he sees ingathi hayibo, ingathi uSamke, she is packing. So uNtombela zathi, how? Kwenzakalani lana? Ayibo, uyabaleka futhi. uSamke is like, abantu balana abasangifuni. uNtombela is like, hayibo, you want to confirm their suspicions ngokubaleka manje. And then uSamke is like, okay, wena-ke, if you were me, buzokwenza njani? uNtombela is like, hayi man, Samke, usebenze kanzima ngokuqala le ndawo to be what it is today. Onke lokhu esikubonayo namhlanje bokuyilena nje bokuyindawo enganamsebenzi kodwa wena wayishintsha yaba yindawo edumile nje. People come from far just to say ukuthi they were seen here. uSamke zatibheka-ke abasekho abantu lana, so ngenze njani? Shame yambona ukuthi uSamke uphele umoya, guys. She doesn't even have energy. Like all she wants to do is just leave this place. uNtombela zathi, hayi, bazobuya man abantu, bazobuya sisi. If you close this place like this, it's crazy. Like abantu bayayithanda le ndaba sePhopo. Like don't close this place. uSamke then says ukuthi ukhuluma ngalabantu abangibheka ngamanye amehlo, abangafuni nje nokungibona. Usho laba abantu ukuthi bona like they don't want this place to close. uNtombela zathi, hayi, ungabanaki, yazi abantu banomhobholo, wena nje unamandla ngaphezu kwalokho-ke. And then uSamke is like, angicabangi ukuthi nginamandla bhuti, ngizame konke bhuti, ngithandazile ngafasta kodwa awukho nje umehluko engiwubonayo. I guess everything is over at this point. uNtombela zathi, cha sisi wami, ziningi nje indlela zokuphuma out of hard situations. As hard as this is, Samke uzophuma, uzonqoba. uSamke is like, okay-ke, ngitshela ukuthi ngizophuma kanjani kulesi simo ngoba nje namazwi wakho amagama akho akangisizi nje ngalutho-ke, so ngitshela ukuthi what should I do? uNtombela then says, lalela sisi, kunganjani if you find the same sangoma sikusize uphume kulobunzima that you are currently in? uSamke says ukuthi hayibo, ngizositholaphi njengamanje leso sangoma after iminyaka engaka, like ikuphi la engizosithola khona mina? uNtombela zathi, uzomela uzame sisi, uzomela ukuthi uzame, ungalokhu utetema. Like stop feeling sorry for yourself. You need to get up and prove your innocence. Next scene, guys, we see uKwenzo. He is visiting uBabu Vuma in the hospital. uBabu Vuma, guys, is looking well to me. Angazi ukuthi yazi lento mayisekhanda ukuthi uyahamba. But sometimes that's the ironic thing ukuthi what I've noticed ukuthi umuntu mengathi uyaphola, guys, mengathi ukuthi uba right, that's the time where it looks like they just leave. Like that's the weird thing about it. But anyway, Ukwenzo then says sawubona baba uvuma. Then uvuma like yeah Kwenzo. Ukwenzo then says ukahle namhlanje. Then uvuma says hayi siyancenga mfana. Ukwenzo says yebo ke. And then ubaba uvuma says ukuthi hayi bangitshelile phela ukuthi wena oyisizathu phela ukuthi ngiphile ukuthi ngiyaphila nje namhlanje. You are the reason. Wenza's like, oh hayi abangi ukuthi kunjalo baba. Ngendlela engiyibona ngayo mina uyindoda strong ubaba uvuma. You saved yourself. Uvuma then says, hayi phela odokotela bangitshelile ukuthi ukusinda kwami nje is cause you rushed me to the hospital just in time. They said had I arrived a minute too late ngabe kuyabheda njengami. Wenzel's like, kuyangithokozisa baba ukuthi like I was of a help empilweni yakho. Kodwa baba nje bengisacela ukuthi nje now that you are here and now that they are helping you to get well, bengicela ukuthi ungazikhathazi nje ngezinye izinto. Please focus on getting better ngoba nasekhaya ngenza isiqiniseko ukuthi nje ba right. Ngiyasiza, ngiyasifaka isandla with the cleaning, with the cooking, and fetching water. Like I really am trying my best ukuthi konke nje kuhamba kahle ekhaya. I'm just like, are you sure you want to tell ubaba uvuma that ubaba uvuma akakufuni? He's just been thankful for his life and that you helped him. Manje uzomtshela ukuthi wena uyafuka uzale kwakhe. Ayike ubaba uvuma says, hey, yabona mokukhulunywa ngento ezongibulala yileyo nje. Yeke lento mfanami. That's why ngikubizile la namhlanje. Ngicela ukuthi uhlukane nje noSibongile. Angazi noba uyabona ukuthi impilo kaSibongile has been a wreck. So noku nje kwafika wena nje uyona. He goes on to say ukuthi ngikhuluma nje umntanami she lost her bursary ngenxa yakho. Manje ke mangihlonipha ke uyazi into elungile ozomela ukuthi uyenze. Mbiyeke uSibongile. Thatha lokhu njengesicelo somzali osokhukhweni nokufa. And I'm just like, that is such a selfish request. But anyway, guys, Uwenzo says yebo, and then he just walks out. I'm like, yay, aibo babu vuma. But anyway, he's trying to look out for his child, you guys. Anyway, we see Olisi, he is visiting uNomfunda. I'm just like, Olisi akezwa. Utheni unjengaye Olisi? Utheni? Anyway, Olisi meyangena, he's like, so ngempela, you didn't realize that there are things in the house that needed to be fixed around here. uNomfunda's like, no, njengani? Olisi is like, hey madoda, yebo mnandi ba wena. Uthi like, you don't even notice any of these things. And then ulokhuzana uNomfunda ahleke, she's like, how like ungadlali ngabe ungangisukeli futhi. Then uMolisi is like, I noticed when I first got here ukuthi i-light switch yakho ayisebenzi kahle, kanti ke nase toilet your bathroom tap iyalika. And then ulokhuzana uNomfunda sathi ngiyabonga kodwa ke ngizokhokhela ngani ke ngoba mina ngisebenzi. uMolisi is like, sizokwenza i-agreement ngoba nami ke I don't take angiwathatha ama-cash payments. Then Nomfunda's like, okay. Olisi is like, so khuluma ngizokutshela ukuthi mina ngiqedile nje lana ngizokutshela ukuthi uzongikhokhela ngani. And then Nomfunda's like, not a problem. uNomfunda enjoys having this man by her side every second, you guys. Next thing uNtombela benoSamke, they are still in Balenhle and they are having a conversation. It looks like uNtombela is carrying uSamke's phone and is looking at the phone or something like that. And uSamke is like, inamba yakhe ke ikhona lapho. She goes on to say ukuthi I asked someone ukuthi angithumele inamba yalesi sangoma. She's like, le ndoda ingumkhohlisi yazi. Kodwa at least ke nginayo inamba yakhe. Obuhlungu ke ukuthi sewathutha lo muntu la eKZN. And then ulokhuzana uNtombela is like, angimangali phela fake sangwamas azihlali isikhathi endaweni eyodwa because basaba ukuthi they're gonna get caught. uSamke is like, ingakho nje I was hesitant to begin looking and searching for this person because ngizomthola because he's probably lived in many places. And then uNtombela says ukuthi mele sibe nendlela nje to lure him back so that he can come back la eXhobo. As they speaking kanjalo guys, uVelephi Qhamukani out of nowhere. She's like, yazi bengazi ukuthi igazi lami alingihluphela umahala ngawe. Umthakathi wena. uNtombela gets up. He's like, yey wena, phuma la. Mayingekho nje into enhle ozoyisho lana, phuma. I'm like, listen to who's talking about into enhle, because uNtombela is forever negative. Wambambo is always there speaking negative things. Hey, anyway, he says ukuthi uphuma lana. uVelephi, she's like ngenkulu nje injabulo, and she just walks out like that. uNtombela's like, nca dadewethu ungamnaki lo, useseyingane. We will find that fake sangoma and we'll prove you're innocent. Ungakhathazeki mntakama. But you can see Shame Samke, the way she doesn't have energy for all of this, guys. Like she is down. Aye. Next thing we see uOlisi, it looks like he's done fixing his things. There kwaNomfundo, he's drinking juice. Bahlele esofeni, guys, kuyahlekwa, guys. uOlisi is like, ayazi umuntu wesifazane ofana nawe deserves to be married with 10 cows. uNomfundo is like, mina ngimdala kangaka. uOlisi is like, hayi bo, kusho ukuthini lokho? Umuntu omdala kufanele athandwe, ashadwe. uNomfundo's like, I acknowledge that train has left the station a long time ago. Like to say, which is into zomshado at my age, like I acknowledged which it will not happen. uOlisi says, how? Are you trying to say which you've given up on love? uNomfundo's like, cha. As she's saying cha, uOlisi interrupts and is like, lalela. Noma kungaba nzima kanjani ukuthola uthando, kodwa fanele ukuthi wazi there are good people out there, that there's a good person out there. uNomfundo's like, he's such a romantic. And then uPhaike says, mina, I don't believe in love. I'm not a romantic person. Ngingumuntu nje who calls it the way I see it. Ngiyaluthanda uthando. Ngiyathanda ukuthandwa. Hey, I was like, guys, there's a difference between all those three things. There's a difference of loving love. There's a difference ukuthanda umuntu. There's a difference ukuthandwa, like love being returned to you. And he says ukuthi, and sometimes love comes when you least expect it. And then as he's saying that, he leans in, guys, for a kiss, and then they kiss. uNomfundo uOlisi, they kiss, and then after uNomfundo, she pulls away. Then uOlisi is like, Olisa, I didn't mean to be forward. And then uNomfundo is like, no, Olisi, like bengifuna nam. Then that scene ends kanjalo. Guys, next thing kwambamba, we see usis kavuma again. It looks like she just finished cook. She's bringing a plate to the dining table. She's like, wengane wozani gebo, ukudla sekulungile. Then uSibongile ke angene ke ekitchen, and she's like, she comes into the dining room rather, and she's like, yongazi ngalamba. uVelephi comes in that time, amaplate sekabekiwe, guys, etafuleni. uVelephi's like, how kodwa auntie, ispinach nophuthu, hayi bo, kuyadingeka yini ngempela ukuthi sidle ukudla ungena inyama nje nhlobo? uAuntie's like, wengane yami, imali yenyama mhlambi uyikhiphile? And then uVelephi just keeps quiet, because ngempela at her big age she can't be asking questions like that. Ungathi uyingane encane. And then she's like, upusangweni vele. As she's saying that, then there's a knock on the door, guys. And then uSbosh says, ngena. As the person comes in, Kwenzo, guys. Kwenzo comes in, is that sanibona ma. He's carrying a box that time. uVelephi's like, yebo sawubona Kwenzo, kodwa mina nje ngizibonela ipizza. She takes the pizza. Wisho ukuthi uKwenzo, guys, uKwenzo on a day where they're eating pizza, where they're eating uphuthu nespinashi, uKwenzo, he carried pizza for the family. So uVelephi takes the pizza box. uSbosh is like, ungahlala phansi Kwenzo. uVelephi is like, ayibo waze waseva Kwenzo. Bengisakhala lana ngenyama. Nayi-ke ipizza, mina nje ngizozilandela iplate ngidle nje ipizza, cause vele like loku kudla she was not feeling it. u-auntie-ke says to Kwenzo, cha, ngiyalazi mfana nami igama lakho ukuthi uKwenzo nje mekusithiwa kwenzo ngiyalazi and kuthiwa-ke wenza izinto zenzeke kodwa-ke you need to stop spoiling these girls so much. Usibongile zakhe hawu kodwa anti as she's busy saying that, as usibongile is like how kodwa u-auntie-ke she says to Velephi ungilandele nami iplate lapho kodwa-ke ngeke nje ngiyidle lento yodwa nje ayisuthisi phela lento ngizoyidla nophuthu phela mina. And then kuhlekwe guys and then that scene ends. Last scene ke of this episode, umxolisi-ke nomfundi, they are laughing there on the couch, guys, busy blushing with one another. Then umxolisi is like, late angibonanga, I need to get going. And then umfundi is like, I think you keep it. As they are getting up from the couch, guys, umnyango opens wide open, unjengaye. I'm just like, unjengaye akafundi ne? Unomfundi is like, unjengaye man. And then kunokhuzana unjenga is like, hey wena angishongo kuwena ukuthi you must never set foot here. Umxolisi bandla ukhathele, he was late, bekalungisa izinto-ke. He's just like, yabona-ke njengaye namhlanje anginaso nje isikhathi sakho. And then he walks off. As he's walking off, unjengaye stops him and like uyampusha in a way, upusha isifuba sakhe like to say ukuthi awuyindawo. And then he goes on to say ukuthi awuyindawo ngingekaqedi ukukhuluma nawe. Umxolisi is like, ubamba bani kanjalo wena? And then unjenga is like, wena uzongenzani? Umxolisi is like, ubamba bani kanjalo wena? Unjenga is like, wena, yo guys, umxolisi, he just punches unjenga. Hey bo, unomfundi akhe woman, she's like, hey bo. She runs to unjenga. As unjenga is getting up, he punches umxolisi and unomfundi is like, hey bo, yekalani lento eniyenzayo. There they fighting, guys. Unomfundo, she's in between them. She eventually manages to pull them apart. And she's like, like, stop. Yekani. And she's so furious, guys. Then these guys are just, both Unjengai and Umxolisi are just holding their faces. I'm just like, Umxolisi, why did he do that? I get to Wuti, yeah, that he is pursuing Unomfundo. Why am I upon Unomfundo ngaphandle or something like that? Because at this point, I'm just like, Umxolisi, even like Umshayeline. Anyway, guys, that's where the episode ends. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe, guys. It is absolutely for free of charge. Please also do make sure you watch the ads and please don't skip them. And I'll see you guys on the next one.